child.
Hey, Bubba, what's he doing?
Thank God.
Oh, wow. Look, you see on that shaft right there? See how it's scored?
Yeah.
How do we get this freaking thing out of here, man?
Your kid is excited.
That's something, huh?
We have to make like a 2-minute video out of this.